Which is the most spoken language in the world?
Swahili. English. Arabic.
Spanish.
No.
Mandarin.
Yes. Mandarin Chinese.
Damn! In African is Swahili.
Next
Go to
question.
court.
What does the G in 5G stands for?
Kai yaran banza ne wallahi tallahi.
5G.
Geopolitical.
How about that?
No. What's it one?
Amma mun sani. Da 5G kace?
5G.
Na internet?
Generation.
Inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un.
Oh my days.
Kuje makaranta kuke. Yes. I'm listening.
Next question.
Debut ne fa ni fa.
Okay, so my bad.
What is the latest iPhone model released in 2024?
iPhone 16.
15.
15.
2024 kace?
Latest.
La ilaha illallah. La ilaha illallah. La ilaha illallah.
Latest in 2024.
La ilaha
Feezy, your
illallah.
fans.
La ilaha illallah.
Abba.
Inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un.
Next question. Who is the richest person in the world?
Elon Musk.
Ty. What is the name of the first African team to reach the FIFA World Cup semi-final?
Super Eagles.
Africa.
Semi-finals World Cup.
Wallahi tallahi da gangan ka kawo question ina saboda
Nigeria.
fadi.
Kace? No.
Last World Cup.
Kaduna United.
Last
Rivers.
World Cup.
Rivers.
World Cup.
Sai mene?
African country that reached
Morocco now. Morocco.
Amma kai kana da hankali kuwa? Ban ci ko ɗaya ba?
Zan fara zuwa wajen naka fa yanzu.
Next question. What is the largest rainforest in the world?
Amazon rainforest.
Brazil. Shine a Brazil, right?
I don't know, man. I don't know.
Amazon Brazil.
Kamar nan ne ina jiga.
Next question. Which country recently became the most populous country in the world?
Nigeria.
India.
India.
Kai wallahi tallahi wannan setup ne.
Check India.
Wallahi tallahi setup. Kala wannan setup ne. Wannan
baba na winning ka gane ka je kai kokari wallahi kai for my hand gaskiya.
Mu shiga nashi.
To mu shiga
round
bonus.
Round 2.
No, bonus.
Ya riga round 2.
Bonus.
Round 2.
Mu je bonus.
Next question.
Round 2 ne. An riga an gama.
Bonus zani. Bonus ne. An kawo sauran mun.
An riga an gama. Ya za a ci mun mutunci?
Ka tsaya gama.
Da Allah.
What made